Hello everyone, my name is Vinayak Ramchandra Purati and my today's topic is linked list in Java. Linked list it is we can say the part of the collection. Collection means it is a group of object. It is used for storing and manipulate the data, like manipulate the group of object. Like it is provide some architecture that you can use that easily manipulate that group of objects easily, and it is a like linked list it is a part of that. Like collection it is like a collection it is a multiple classes and interface. There are mainly three interfaces in that, like a list, sheet, set and queue. And the list inside the list, it is a one of the like most usable interface. And the linked list it is a inherit that list. That's why it is a part of list, and it is indirectly part of the collection. That's why it is have some architecture or standard infrastructure, like if you want to add data and remove like that features easily, we can use that in the linked list. And there are many or specific time that's linked list it is very useful, and it's provides some more like more features than the other classes, like array list or linked list. Array list it is like a insertion order call, and suppose we want to add something in the middle of that, then it is take more time as compared to linked list, because linked list storing the like a node, like it is storing like a node type storing. Suppose we want to add, then it is likely point that and store the reference of that, like it is storing in node type. That's why very easy in that time, like we want to add, then it is a very fast as compared to our list. In this case, the we use the list, and also it is storing it is follow the insertions order, and doubly linked list. And it is a it is have some disadvantages, means it is some take more time complexity as compared to our list. In the, like suppose you want to want something like checking element present or not, then it is take more time as compared to our list, because our list it is storing insertion order and indexing based storing. But other hand linked list it is not storing in indexing order, or like not searching indexing order. In that case linked list it is little bit slow, and it is very useful in Java. It is like it is a standard data structure providers, like suppose we want to add something, then we simply directly add inside that. It is a growable natures, that why it is a size increases automatically or decreases, it is automatically inside. That's why it is very useful. Other hand, like in before that the array it is like a fixed size and collection inside. That's why it is a growable nature. It is increases the value or decreases automatically. Like if you want to add something in array, then we want to first increase the size, and then we want add that index or like element where we want in index. But the other hand, in linked it is a growable nature. That's why we want to add in any time or anything without increase the size of that, because it is a automatically increases the size according to the whatever we want, like add. And if you want to add in array, then we use for loop, that's take more time. And other than linked list, we directly use the standard data structures, like directly add method presuming that that's help you to adding easily inside that. And suppose you want to remove in the array, it is like similarly like iterate that and just remove the size, then want to remove that element like that. And it is a list it is directly provide us, like if you want to remove, then use remove method that help us to remove that element. And if you want to checking the element, then we simply use contains method, like that. These methods are present in the list interface. That's why it is a very helpful to use that, and it is provide some more helpful or remove some time complexity. And it is very useful in this case. Suppose like if you want to storing, suppose we take an example like where it is a useful, uh, like we want to add add data inside that. And there are multiple ways to adding, like we can take array or use list, or when whatever you use in collection. We use, suppose we take list, and the difference between array and list, like array, it is showing similar type of data, and other hand it is a group of object that it is useful in that case. Suppose we want to add data in the not similar type, then we simply use the linked list. But array, it is not support that. In that case also we use the list or linked list. And talking about some features of that, or what is the best, we use linked list. Like if you want to, I already tell that remove or add, it is very fast in linked list, because it is not of node using node inside the doubly linked list. It is storing node tab point that next references, and like before a previous element, it is pointing that restoring references easily. And it is provide a big of one time complexity in that case, like adding or removing element. Because suppose we can take a 5 element of list 1 2 3 4, and then in the middle of like index of 3 we want to add another, like another element. Then it is simple, like the third index pointing that, and the new element pointing the whatever it is, like the difference. The In that case it is very useful. And suppose we want to remove something, suppose we have 5 elements, and we want to remove it simply. The Suppose we have 5, then the two directly point to the, like 4 element directly point to, and third is it is automatically removed. That's it is like it is work like that. In that case it is giving big of one time complexity. And the worst time complexity in searching or retrieving data, like in an array list, what's happened, it is index versus searching, like it is directly going to that index and checking that. And in linked list it is like going one by one, then it is give big of n time complexity. In that case it is not good in the, like searching or retrieving data. But it is very useful in that, like suppose we want to adding or removing element inside that, then it is useful for us in that case. This is the all about